So this is what you have been waiting for. Under 8,000 rupees, the Qubo Dashcam 4G Live brings out the most practical and the most requested feature which probably every single person wanted. So using the Qubo Dashcam 4G Live, you can watch your car's live video feed sitting from your home, access the exact GPS location of your car, and even talk to the people sitting in the car anytime from anywhere. So by using your own 4G SIM, you get access to real-time live video footage from the dash camera, so you can easily view the surrounding of the cars, check out what's happening near the car. This is especially useful when somebody else is in the car, maybe your family, your spouse, your children or adults, or even when you have left your car for a wash or for a service center. You can easily monitor the status of your car sitting comfortably at your home. So basically, by using this dashcam, you can keep a watchful eye over your loved ones who might be in the car and have evidence and have proper video proof in case if something goes wrong, making this the ultimate safety device within that price range. Now before we get into the technical details of this camera, let's just look at the use case scenarios where the Qubo Dashcam 4G Live will be of the utmost importance. Starting off, this will be most useful if your children are traveling in the car with a driver, or if you do have a spouse who might be traveling late at night. You can also use this to monitor the driver, monitor any youngsters who might be driving the car who might not be accompanied by proper adult supervision. You can even use this to monitor your car when you leave it for service center or car wash without having to worry about what's going on with the car. You can also use this to monitor seniors or elders who might be alone in the car, who might be traveling alone or driving the car alone at night. Have you ever seen any other dash cam coming under the price bracket of 8,000 rupees giving you all of these features? You probably haven't. The Qubo Dashcam 4G Live brings such unique advantages over your regular dash cameras, starting off with the fact that with your regular dash cam, you need to be in close proximity to the dash cam or even maybe sit inside the car to access the Wi-Fi network. In case of the Qubo Dashcam 4G, you can access the videos or you can watch the live video remotely just by using the 4G connection. Not only the live video feed, you can even access the live location of the car along with the trip it has taken from the starting point. With two-way talk feature inbuilt, you can easily talk to the people inside the car and listen to what they have to say. So this is basically just like a phone call but through your dash camera. This dashcam also supports instant safety alerts, so just in case any abnormal jolt or an accident or a vibration is detected, the dash camera immediately sends a notification to your smartphone no matter where you are. This can also send you notifications for overspeeding, for geo-fencing, for entry and exit of the geo-fencing points. Basically, you are covered 360 degrees in terms of car protection. And if you thought this was the end of it, well, here's one more good news. Qubo is now offering you a 1-year free subscription to Qubo Cloud Play. So this is Qubo's exclusive cloud subscription service which gives you access to all the connected features including live monitoring, live location, instant alerts, geofencing alerts, as well as cloud storage of all the important events up to 7 days. Now just in case if you thought that this dashcam will work only if you insert a 4G SIM, it does not. It just works like a regular dashcam even if you do not insert a 4G SIM and will continue to record just like a regular dashcam into the memory card which you'll have to insert into it. So when you don't insert a 4G SIM, this works just like a regular dashcam. When you do insert a SIM which has an active 4G connection, you can access all the connected features that come along with the package. So what's the process to get this feature in your car? First of all, you'll need to purchase the Qubo Dashcam 4G Live, for which the purchase link is given right down below in the description. To get the Qubo Cloud Play service, you don't have to do anything else. Just purchase the dashcam and you get a complimentary 1-year free Qubo Cloud Play storage right inside the box. Thirdly, you will need a SIM, a 4G enabled SIM, which you have to purchase separately and insert into the dash camera. Lastly, you will need a micro SD card, which again you will have to purchase separately, and once you insert it, the dashcam can work like a regular dash camera. That being said, here's a quick overview of some of the technical features of this dash camera. So this dashcam basically is a front only dashcam shooting a 2K Quad HD resolution, which has a field of view of about 140 degrees. And one of the most underrated feature of this camera is that this supports memory cards up to 256 GB, no. 512 GB, no. This supports memory cards up to 1 TB, so you have basically unlimited storage right within the dash cam. Another most asked feature in a dash cam is a super capacitor. And the good news is that the Qubo Dashcam 4G Live gets a super capacitor inside, so no more worries about parking the car in the hot summer or under direct sunlight. All the settings of the camera, all the connected features and everything related to it can be controlled via a single Qubo Pro app, which is so good and intuitive, user friendly and easy to understand. Even first time users will find it very easy to use the Qubo Pro app, so that's one more positive thing that works in the favor of this dash cam. Last but not the least, this dash camera gets the backing of the Hero Group. So Qubo is basically a sub brand of the Hero Group, so you can be assured that you're getting the best possible service support and you get the best possible brand backing that is available in India. So why are you wasting your time if you need a 4G SIM enabled dash cam to monitor your car, to monitor your loved ones, to monitor the status of your car? Basically the users are limitless. Go ahead, click down on the description and buy this camera at a price of less than 8,000 rupees. This is a too good to be true price and you should not be missing the chance to get this dash camera straight away. So if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this dash camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, I'm quite sure it has, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who want a 4G SIM enabled remote live viewing dash camera. See you in the next one.